health was recognizing that I needed to take a step back from things, and obviously seeking help from a professional is always good, but what worked for me was taking time apart for myself, prioritizing work-life balance, and making time for things that I enjoy aside from always constantly working. And again, surrounding myself with people that love and support me, and yeah.
Personally, taking a break and truly disconnecting has helped me care for my mental health. It's very easy to get caught up in and get stressed about schoolwork, but taking the time to truly disconnect and take a meaningful break has helped me a lot during the semester.
Some things that have helped me take care of my mental health are exercise, FaceTiming a friend or family member, or simply just taking 10 to 15 minutes to give myself time to reset.
To take care of my mental health is I understand my own limits, and I understand that it's okay to take breaks, and it's okay to not be okay all the time. I spend time with my family and my friends, and I take time out of my day to enjoy the hobbies that I'm passionate about.
I think a good balance of quiet time, walk, and friends definitely help with my mental health. You need a balance of solitude time and social interaction. You also need a good sleep and eat well.
For me, what has helped with my mental health is reaching out to professionals. I currently see a mental health counselor at Student Wellness Services, and this has helped me tremendously over the past year. I suffer from general anxiety, so therefore this has really helped me get through a lot of the things that I've had with that, but also just provides me with someone else to talk to who knows what's going on. Further, I would also like to say some things that help are keeping lists and keeping track of everything what I'm doing and what needs to get done, because I'm somebody who can get easily overwhelmed with everything that I have on my plate. So making sure that I have lots of lists everywhere, lots of calendars, helps me make sure that I don't forget about anything going on and that I can stay up to date with everything that I need to do.
A turning point for me was the realization that mental health is health. It's not more or less important than physical health because the two are interdependent. You need to practice self-care in order to be mentally healthy in the same way that you need to exercise and eat healthy to be physically healthy. This helped me recognize that just like when you're physically sick and you need to see a medical professional, if your mental health symptoms are becoming severe or distressing, you should connect with a mental health specialist before they become unmanageable.
Some things that help me with my mental health is chatting with someone, either about things that are bugging me or about others' lives in general. Seeing different perspectives help me step out of myself and my dark bubble. Being able to confide in a trusted peer, in person, in a private setting is something that I'll never take for granted, as it has really helped me articulate how I'm feeling and also be able to feel the support and care from said peer.
What has personally helped me with my mental health has been my amazing support system. I am so fortunate to have an amazing family and an amazing group of friends that are here for me whenever I need to talk. Another thing, I always make sure to cuddle and play with my rat who's eating a peanut at the moment, because it helps me with my mental health and it helps me feel better about myself.
Something that helped me with my mental health first semester was the social support that I had from my friends from West Campus, but also from friends that I made in my program. And certainly without them, I would not be in this state right now. I think having those support system made me realize that I'm not alone in this journey of me getting used to the pace of university, and that everything will be okay, and that we're all truly in this together.
So the things that helped me take care of my mental health were talking to my friends and family and going on walks. I think that talking about my issues, especially to those who understood them, relieved a lot of pressure from myself, and going on walks always helped me clear my mind.
I've been lucky enough not to struggle with my mental health as much as I know others have, but for everyday little things, I always love talking to a friend, making sure that I ask first if they have the space, to vent with me or to talk with me, and that's always nice.
So I found that especially during this pandemic, it's really important to reach out to your support system, whether that be friends, family, your roommates, really anyone that you feel comfortable talking to, and sharing your problems and helping them kind of give some advice if you're comfortable with that. But even just a small chat, like about how their day was, how their week is going, or small stories that kind of uplift you is really important to take your mind away from anything that might be stressing you out, and just helping you kind of live in the moment and be present and really focus on the positive side of things.
Learning to say no and prioritize my time so that I'm not spread too thin. Through my career, I've always made time for regular cardiovascular exercise and incorporating forms of mindfulness. For example, restorative yoga, barre class into my weekly schedule. These activities ground me and help to dispel excess stress or anxiety, improve my mood and confidence, and if in a class format, give me a sense of community or connectedness with health-conscious others.
Identifying things I love to do and making or scheduling at least some time to do them regularly is how I help reduce my mental stress. Connecting with friends and family is also something that helps my mental health.